Hello everyone, welcome to Nature of Propagation of Light, Hyugen's Principle. Now here, Hyugen's Principle states or defines a geometric method to find the secondary wavefront from primary wavefront. Now here, let's start with what a wavefront is. Now here, wavefront is defined as the locus of all the points in a medium with this vibrating in a medium with the same phase. So here, if we have a point source of light, then the locus of all the particles in the same medium vibrating in the same phase will give a spherical wavefront. So here, this is a wavefront. Now due to the linear source of light, we will have a cylindrical shape, also a cylindrical wavefront. Now a plane wavefront is simply due to the very small portion of the cylindrical or spherical wavefront due to a very distant source of light. So it will be like this. Now we know what a wavefront is. Now here in Huygens principle there are two postulates. That here, let's just say there's one source of light and the source of light goes in all directions, and we have primary wavefront like this. Now what Huygens principle's two postulates are is the first one, that every point on the primary wavefront acts as a source of a wavelets for the secondary wavefront. Essentially, that every point on the primary wavefront acts as secondary sources of wavelets. Now wavelets are, well, if you can just redefine it as in terms of primary wavefront, that wavelets are the points in primary wavefront which give sources for secondary wavefront. So here there are infinite number of points, but for now let's just take 3 points like this. So here A, B, C. Now here they will have a certain radius which will be equal to, let's just say it took time t for the primary wavefront to get here, and let's just say the secondary wavefront took time t plus delta t, which is a small change in time. Then the radius they will acquire is, well, we know that velocity equals to distance by time. So here velocity in air or vacuum is c, speed of light, is equals to r by triangle t, giving us r equals to c triangle t. Now here, let's just say this is radius r, and here it will form a circle like this. It should be dotted lines, or it should not, but it is better to have dotted lines. Now here for B, it will be the same distance r, and it doesn't matter if you overlap. Now here, what the second postulate states, that is the forward tangent of each of these wavelets will give the secondary wavefront. So here I'll try my best. So touching the front one like this, and, well, let's just clean it up a little bit. So it will be like so. So now this is triangle t plus triangle t. So now this is our secondary wavefront. Now here we have to use the Huygens principle to to verify the laws of reflection and refraction. Now here Huygen was a scientist who postulated that light traveled in the form of waves, and hence he verified it verified that it was a wave with verifying the laws of reflection and refraction, which we have to verify in grade 12 for SLC board examination, which I will do in the next videos. So here, remember the two postulates which we will need, and what is wavefront and what is wavelets, and that is all for Huygens principle today. Thank you.